In this week's video, I'm going to be showing you how to find $1 million winner products for your Shopify dropshipping store. I've scaled my brands to millions of dollars online, and all of them have one thing in common. They all had an amazing product. To make money online, you must make sure you have the 3 pillars: a great website, a great product, and great marketing. So today, I'm gonna be showing you a tool, a secret tool that I've been using to find my winner products over and over. This is a tool that's gonna help you take your business to the next level and revolutionize the dropshipping game. So without further ado, let's get into it. But before we do that, like every single video, we do a Shopify store giveaway. Yes, that's right. I'm gonna be giving one of you a brand new Shopify store completely done with a winner product and your own custom theme completely done for you. Logos, colors, descriptions, images, you name it. All you gotta do to enter is make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and comment down below the word Shopify. And that's it. Last video we made absolutely went crazy, where I showed people exactly how me and my partner Ronell took a store from $0 to $750,000 in sales in under 4 months. The winner of last week's video is Galil Tess. She said, "Shopify, most of my confusions fade away whenever I watch your videos. Thanks, Sam. Keep inspiring. Congratulations. Message me on Instagram at RealSamJacobs so we can send you your store. We can start helping you make some money." As always, all the links will be down in the description. You can also get access to our brand new e-commerce program with all our updated strategies. But now let's talk about that secret tool that I've been using to find my winner products. You're gonna be shocked. Now, I'm always on the hunt for the next winner product research tool. In fact, I've bought dozens of winner product research tools before. It's kind of hard to know which one is good and which one's actually legit until I came across this one tool. This one tool is absolutely crazy. Not only does it show you Facebook ads that are crushing it right now, but it also shows you TikTok and Pinterest. Another thing that I love about this tool is that it shows you the top 10 products of the day and also helps you with influencer marketing. Influencer marketing has been a huge tool in our business, paying influencers to go ahead and create ads for us and post it on their social media. So this all-in-one tool has really helped me take my business to the next level, and I think it will as well for you. So let's get into the dashboard as I show you exactly how this works. Now, before we get actually into the tool itself, I will let you know at the end of this video, I'm giving away a winner product. So stay tuned to the end and check out what it is. Now here you go, this is a tool, Minea. I love it so much that I actually became an affiliate of theirs, and I will leave the link right down below. They did give me a link so you can all get a discount by using it, if you like it, of course. So let me show you how it works so you can make that decision for yourself. So Minea is an all-in-one product research company, okay? They have all different types of sections. My favorite part to be in Minea is the dashboard itself. So as you can see, there are tons, and I'm talking tons of ads that they show on their dashboard. Their system automatically goes out there and finds ads that are crushing it so you can replicate what they're doing. Because if another store is doing, let's say, $1,000 a day, and you go ahead and use what's already working, use their product, get inspiration from their website, then there's no doubt that you can do the same. Now, when I scroll down on the dashboard, something that I really like is the top 10 products of the day. I like to take a look at these 10 products every single day to see if I can find anything that will potentially pop off for my store or for one of my student stores. As you can see, each one of these products are absolutely going viral on social media right now. And this is how I found products in the past. I literally went out there and found videos just like this that are going viral and took advantage of the trend. Took advantage of the hype as well. For example, all these ads, let's go through them one by one so we can choose one product that can really crush it for your own store. So this is product number 1.
I decided to ditch my LEDs and get a sunset lamp. You can pick from millions of...
So as you can see, 98 million views for this particular video. 2 million likes and 26,000 shares. Now that is a lot of views and a lot of sales. I'm estimating this store did a few $1,000,000 in total revenue. And if it worked for them, it could work for you as well. What you want to do is when you sign up for this tool, take a look at these winner products. They get updated every single day, so you know exactly what's working right now in this very market. This is another very, very cool product that you can use inside your Shopify dropshipping store, and I've never seen it before. It currently has 637,000 views with 10,000 likes and 1,000 shares, which is still considered untapped for TikTok. So what it does, it helps you get better skin as well as have a better jawline, which is huge. I recently had a product that blew off that had to do with your face. And I know girls and their face is next level. They'll pay whatever it is just to get their face looking fresh. Quick plug, as you're watching the video, we're just editing it up. I hope you're enjoying. Keep watching, it gets better and better. But if you need fast shipping for your Shopify dropshipping products, go to commercive.co for a free quote. You have 6 to 12 day shipping, custom packaging, and great service. Go check it out. Now, we're not gonna go over too many products here, but I do want to show you one more TikTok product that's going crazy. And if you watch my last organic video, you can take this product to at least a few $100s a day. So if you haven't watched that TikTok organic video and interview, make sure you go ahead by clicking right above here. Take a look at this product.
I need a free screen cleaner to clean my phone.
We only give them to those who liked and shared.
I just did that.
Your screen cleaner.
That's pretty cool. And the coolest part about this is you can actually click on it and it will show you all this analytics. It will show you the actual ad copy that's working, the hashtags, how many views and shares and likes and downloads it's getting over time. As you can see, this was published August 12th. So this is super, super recent. Now, whenever you're watching this video, even if it's next year in 2023, these are gonna be updated. So you get to see products that are going viral right now rather than products that are already saturated. The cool thing about Minea is not only do they have TikTok ads, they also have Facebook ads, and they also allow you to go ahead and advance it to make sure that you can sort it by the most recent and the highest engaging ads. So something I like to do is go ahead and choose United States and then sort by. Now, last but not least, I like to press CTA, which is call to action, and then press shop now. So then all of the e-commerce products will pop up. As you can see, a lot of print on demand products are doing super well on Facebook. Just keep in mind, a lot of these products are a little bit older. So you can either revive it, meaning bring it back to life, because if it did well a few years ago, it can always do well now again. Just be strategic with it and look for a product that you could potentially scale and that people need all year round. For example, a mask people don't need anymore, so I wouldn't sell it. However, a dress like this is something that people would probably want even today. Just be a little bit strategic for it because, for example, Donald Trump, people wouldn't really buy it now since, you know, he's not a president anymore and the last seen was 2018. However, a product like this, for example, or this, for example, or this, for example, people would buy all year round. Now, you can literally scroll through hours of winter products on winter products. You're probably never gonna need another spy tool ever again, and that's why I love this so much. You can also go to Pinterest ads, and on Pinterest, you can actually find a lot of low-key products that are, crushing it, and you can bring it to TikTok and Facebook and crush it even more. So my camera battery died, but we're back. Like I was saying, if it's working on a certain platform, for example, Pinterest, then you can bring it to TikTok and Facebook. And yeah, that's why I really love this. It shows all different platforms so I can compare. I can look over and see all the winter products. It's truly amazing. Now, something that I really like is these two new features they added. Number one, shops, which is great. They show a bunch of Shopify stores that you can spy on and see inspiration for. You can sort it by actually visitors and category. You can choose apparel or whatever you want to be selling. Let's say we want to start a, apparel store. So we get to look at the top brands out there. Obviously, AliExpress is the biggest, and Zara, you name it. And you can also do Shopify, so only the Shopify stores will pop up. This is super cool. You can literally go ahead and click on them, and then it can see all the data. It's gonna scrap all the traffic, analyze the placements, generate similar shops, getting Facebook and TikTok, Pinterest ads, taking a screenshot. It's literally amazing. So definitely recommend this tool. And then also with influencer marketing, you can go ahead and go to promotions and you can see and book other people here. So for example, if you want to buy a promotion on anyone, you can just click on it, right? And yeah, you can see all about this person, engagement rate, and you can literally go ahead and add it to the list. So let's say I want to do is like new promos, create list. So let's say you want to do like a bunch of different influencers, put them on the list. You can go to brands, okay? So let's say you are an influencer. You can, go ahead and click on them and see how you can get in touch with them. Influencers as well. You can click on influencer and see all about them. So it's pretty cool. I really like this tool overall. The link will be down below. They will have a free, a free option as well, which is great. Everyone loves free. And then if you want to go ahead and get access to all the cool features, I have a ton of new features. I recommend the starter plan. That's one that I usually have. You get 10,000 research credits, which is basically, it's like a credit system. So let's say you want to get access to certain features and certain products, then you unlock it by credits. So you have 10,000 credits to use per month. And then the premium, you have 100,000, so that unlocks everything. So it depends if you're a bigger brand or you're just getting started, then you can do the starter. If you're already making money with e-commerce, then you can do the premium. But the link will be the first link in the description. Go show them what's up. And I really, really enjoy this. I would never ever promote a service that I don't believe in, and I truly believe in this service. It's an amazing service, shows you winner products, and I hope you guys enjoyed. I gave you guys a few winner products in there, a little sprinkled out. I know I said I would give it at the end, but I gave you throughout the video. And like always, if you guys want to enter the giveaway, just make sure you comment the word Shopify right down below. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and you will be entered. Follow me on Instagram, follow the team on Instagram, and until next time, peace out.